equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the screen on your Asus VivoBook. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your VivoBook. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using compressed air. This will help maintain the performance of your device. Now, locate the screen connector. It's usually situated near the hinges. Carefully disconnect the cable by gently pulling it out. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for help. Next, you'll need to remove the screws securing the screen to the hinges. There are typically 4 screws, 2 on each side. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws and keep them safe for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen from the hinges. Be careful, as the screen may still be connected by a cable. If it is, disconnect it just as you did with the previous cable. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Now, take your new screen and connect it to the cable. Ensure it's securely attached before proceeding. Align the screen with the hinges and gently lower it into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the screen. After the screen is in place, reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard. Make sure it's firmly connected to avoid any display issues. If you're unsure about this step, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved. Once everything is connected, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Double-check that all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling or loose parts. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it, and power on your laptop. Check the new screen to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you from the comfort of your home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.